If you're a marketing analyst, you've probably been asked many times to analyze the impact of a specific campaign. Hi, I'm Brian Amrine with Value Driven Analytics, and in this video, we'll talk about how you can robustly analyze the impact a campaign has on sales. If that sounds good to you, let's head over to our PowerPoint. All right, how about this one? We might have a marketing stakeholder that asks us the following question. We're planning on launching a new online marketing campaign where we'll send a follow-up ad to visitors on our website. We'd like your help to analyze the campaign. Whew. It is a good thing they came to us before they launched the campaign, because that's exactly what needs to happen in order to set up an A/B test, and an A/B test is the perfect way to set up a measurement of what impact an initiative is having. In fact, if you go back to that request we had, especially around what the impact of marketing spend was in different areas, perhaps going forward, if it wasn't done in the past, there could be a random assignment. We are going to randomly select certain areas that we're going to spend either some amount or no amount, or perhaps spend more or less in, and then we'll measure the difference between the ones we spent more in and the geographies where we spent less in, and see what the difference in sales is. That would be the perfect way to determine what the impact of marketing spend is. And coming back to this particular scenario where we're thinking about sending up follow-up ads, that's great. There's a lot of platforms out there, digital platforms, that will allow you to do A/B testing, where you can take a group of visitors to your website and randomly assign a certain percentage of them to a test group where they would be sent follow-up ads, and then another group, the remaining group, that would not be sent follow-up ads, and that would be your control group. And at that point, the only thing that's different about them is the fact that the test group is getting follow-up ads. And that means that any difference in performance, conversion rate on your website between the test group and the control group can be attributed to the follow-up ad. So you figure out what that difference in sale rate is, multiply that by your profit from a sale, and then compare that to the cost of the follow-up ads, and you can really calculate a true ROI of the program. And if it's a good ROI and it makes sense, you can continue to do that and invest even more in that. You might start with a small amount of budget dedicated to this, see if it works based on this A/B test. If it does, now you can confidently roll that out and potentially continue to monitor it by having an ongoing holdout group. Just make sure that as you spend more and more, you're still getting that same or a satisfactory ROI on this campaign. So I would absolutely set this up as an A/B test. No questions about it. How about you? How would you set up this analysis? Let us know in the comment section. If you like this video, I hope you'll consider liking it formally. And if you'd like to see more analytics, data science, and leadership training videos, please consider subscribing to the channel. Finally, if you have any questions on what we discussed today, please leave a comment and I'll try to respond to it as soon as possible. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.